Hello guys, my name is Tim. I'm currently the dev reel for Vlog. And then so I will be showcasing you the new platform we built on top of RAG AI bot, where how we collaborate between RAG chat and blockchain. So as we know, the main point we're trying to solve here is trying to solve the data contribution issue in the traditional world, where you have a lot of open data already being consumed by large language model in OpenAI, Gemini, and other companies. As we know that OpenAI is currently using 1.676 trillion token. So how are we going to find more open source good quality data? It's a key question to ourselves. So we believe that the good quality data come from everyone's own hand. It's private data. So we created this platform allowing people to contribute into models. So currently, it's a very naive platform. We support 3 types of GPTs, what we call like Bitcoin GPT, Ethereum GPT, and Scroll GPT. Why? We think the model cannot keep updating with all the industrial updates. That's why we need co-creation to join in. So for example, if you're gonna ask ChatGPT regarding what's BTC layer 2, I believe they cannot give you a good answer. So how can we improve the large language model to support this? It's gonna be co-creation. So here, just gonna demo this. So we see here, like, so this GPT is created internally, where we added three sources of data: the BTC layer 2, like blog posts, and also other source of data. So what happened here is we have a base model, and then we link the base model to a knowledge base. Through that knowledge base, we can use RAG technology to improve the model on quality regarding your questions. So just I think this one is not the right one, sorry. I'm just gonna use the scroll one just to showcase. So you see we have knowledge example here, and also the contribution. Just gonna preview it. So we can see we currently have the scroll document that imported into the RAG chat. So then through the chat feature, we are able to answer the question regarding to scroll, where normally the large language model may not be able to achieve. Let me just demo this. So I gotta link to my wallet account first. Okay. So you can see here, like, oh, it's only after you log in, you're able to see all the data being contributed towards the model from different people. So currently everything is off-chain, that we're trying to build the infrastructure of AI first, and then we're gonna move it to a more decentralized manner. I think that's the right move to make. We want to make sure it's run first, and then decentralize it. So where we can now, like, for example, ask, so what's in the, what is the DK EVM, scroll DK EVM. So Scroll has their own EVM. So when you ask this question to GPT, I don't believe they can answer it. Like, because we have the knowledge contributed by different users, now it can actually answer you what is the blurb of a Scroll DK EVM. So through this manner, we can actually, one, allow people to contribute by incentivizing them. So we are not disgracing all the data contributors, because how OpenAI does the data scraping is from open web's data. But who created those data? It's us. We're generating data every day, but are we getting rewarded from them? I believe the answer is no. So basically, they are freely using our data and build up a billion and trillion worth company. And so I think that's the main purpose why we are doing this. We want to reward people through their data contribution. At the same time, we want to see whether we can tokenize models. I think that's the other one of the important issue we are facing, especially in open source data models, where who exactly owns the rights of, who exactly owns the copyright of the data, the model, because it's open source, so you can't really identify it. We had a case like recently in China where a professor or a doctor used open source model to generate content on top of that, but it's really violating the copyright of the data of the model. So if we can utilize to create IP out of the model, and we can easily identify the ownership, and through that ownership, we can help open source model to generate more revenue distribution through other people as well. Because through blockchain, we can trace back to the ownership and then also easily transfer. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we are doing here. Thank you very much. I hope I made it clear. Yeah, you know, it's always a compliment. It's a pleasure to present in front of you.
It's great. It's great.
Yeah, because I think it's one of my good friend introduced me Zero Knowledge University,
Yeah.
and then I started.